very warm welcome to our channel. We are here to talk about the Palatial by Hero Homes in Sector 104. Sector 104 is the heart of Dwarka Expressway, one of the most developed locations on Dwarka Expressway. And we are here to talk about the project called the Palatial by Hero Homes. This project is centrally located on Dwarka Expressway. And guys, when we talk about the Sector 104, this is located centrally on Dwarka Expressway with the closest in the minutes distance from all schools, hospitals, five-star hotels, malls, and everything else you need on the daily basis. And we are just 15 minutes from airport and 10 minutes from Delhi. Guys, मेरे पीछे आप देख रहे हैं Dwarka Expressway, and the best part is we have the exit right next to us. Guys, let's dive deeper into our project. Let's see the sample apartment. Welcome to the beautiful home of the Palatial. This gives a royal, beautiful, luxurious feeling to me when I enter. This is our huge living room you have here, which is so warm, welcoming, and a feeling of a palace, the royal. And in this beautiful palace apartment, we are giving you AI-enabled home along with Wi-Fi, along with VRV automation, fully furnished, along with a beautiful swimming pool on the top, your gym, your spa, your salons, car servicing, as well as running tracks. Everything is given to keep a track of your fitness as well. Let me show you one more really beautiful thing about this project. That is the balcony space we have. It's 6 feet wide. One of the biggest balconies we have. One of the most amazing things about this project is the balcony, which is 6 feet huge. You can just have a look at this. It's 6 feet space. Imagine the evenings or the mornings here, looking the view of Dwarka Expressway is going to be such a wonderful feeling. Let me show you the master bedroom of our project. This is the huge space which we have, master bedroom. Guys, this is our 3 BHK apartment, and this is one of the rooms we have. Look at the beauty of it, look at the walls, look at the feeling which we have. I'm going to show you one more beautiful thing, which is the lobby right here. This is again 6 feet wide. We are getting 2 lobbies. One is this and one is the other one, which I already showed you along with the living room. So this is really nice, huge and spacious. Let me show you the beautiful kitchen space we have here. One of the biggest. Everything which you see here will be given as it is to you. Hobnobs, chimney, refrigerator, oven, cupboards, everything is included in this. And this is the back area which we have. This is a balcony which can be used for a lot of other purposes. And one more thing, guys, I wanted to show you is the service provider room. Just come and look at this, how huge is this. And in case if you don't want to have a service provider room, you can always use it for your business, for your meetings, or even as a separate room. So this becomes 3 BHK becomes your 3.5. Guys, when we talk about the builder background, we have all known Hero all our lives. That's a brand which everybody knows. One project has already been delivered by Hero next door. Guys, talking about the pricing part of the project, which is pre-launch offer we are giving right now, that is 16,520 rupees per square feet. This is our pre-launch price. Once the project is launched by the company, the price is going to be 19,000 per square feet or above. So this is your call to make a huge saving by booking it on the pre-launch offer. And the other best part about the project is the payment plan. That is 30-30-40. which is really good as an investor because we have a 3 years gap between the first 30% and the other payment which comes in. To connect with us and to have more details about the project, you can reach us on the given numbers below. We wish to hear from you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.